With the power of just one finger, you can have access to all this and more for free. Come and visit us at conductivemusic.uk, and on our website you'll get access to all our online learning materials. Our logo is made up of a plug, a sound wave and a crocodile. Why? Because our workshops have teeth. We have over 8 years of experience delivering workshops in schools, and with this experience we have been able to improve our capacity to teach online. So just with the power of one finger, click to sign up to our online workshops for free. You'll find our videos and online lessons on Facebook and YouTube, so please look out for us on there too.